Good morning, guys. We are at Komta bus terminal in the heart of Penang, Georgetown in Malaysia. Today we are going to check out one of the most prestigious temples here in Penang. We need to catch the bus, so we're going to look at catching bus 203 to Air Itam, and doesn't quite say what time the bus will be here, but it is up there on the schedule. So this is Air Itam. Air Itam. Kek Lok Si temple. You can see it right there. Lots of restaurants planted along the way as well. Let's go for a walk. See if we can get up there and check out the vibes, and maybe come back down here later and grab some food. We shall see. There's apparently a massive statue in there, and there's the pagoda, the temple pagoda. We shall explore. I can see that they're doing renovations up there as well. Wonder what the view's like from up there. It's a weekday, so hardly anyone here. I think that's a good thing. We shall explore. Oh, there's a sign. Kuan Yin statue. Pagoda. I wonder if there's another way of getting up to the statue. We shall see. Lots of cool architecture. Oh, look at that. Turtles. Lots and lots of turtles. Just chillaxing right there. Look at all these stairs dotted all over the place. Ah, you can actually walk up. All the turtles just chillaxing around there. There you go. Kek Lok Si temple, and over here the pagoda. Look how huge this temple is. Huge Buddhist temple. Pretty awesome. I'm intrigued to know what that reverse swastika is. Now, I've seen that before in Vietnam, so it'll be interesting to see. On the pole there's a reverse swastika. Could be a polarity thing, yin yang. Be interesting to know. Anyway, this view's pretty beautiful. Got the big temple behind us, and then we've got all these other temples here and the big pagoda. Let's go up and have a bit of a explore. have no idea who that is. Looks like a gold statue. Look at all those lamps up there. Lanterns. Anyway, let's see if we can get up to that pagoda and check out that big statue. 2 ringgit for pagoda, right? Okay.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome, welcome. How are you?
From Mexico.
Can you guess? No, no Mexico.
Sorry.
If you get correct, I give you here
No need.
20 ringgit. But if you're not good, then I give you just 2 ringgit.
From India. India. India.
No. No. I'm from New Zealand. New Zealand. Yeah.
I've been there last year, New Zealand.
Ah, yes.
Oh, Maori people.
Yeah, I'm Maori. I'm Maori. Kia ora. We say kia ora.
Yeah, kia ora.
Kia ora.
Yeah, thank
Okay.
you. Welcome.
Thank you.
Looks like a little bit Indian descendant.
No. Maori.
Speak good.
But I try to speak Indian to confuse you, but I'm Maori.
Yeah, Maori.
Okay. Yeah.
Maori.
Maori.
Famous in Rabi.
Haka.
Yeah. I see the video.
Okay. Thank you. Goodbye.
Ni hao.
There we go, guys. This is the pagoda. Got a bit of a bell over here as well. I see they've got the kumquat trees right here. How do you dong the bell? Like this, I guess. Hey! Dong the bell. There's no stairs. Where's the stairs? Lots of colourful birds flying around here, which is pretty cool. Gardens. Wonder what fruit they've got there. We shall see if we can walk up the pagoda. Only inside. Pagoda entrance. Where? Ah, yes, you can walk up the pagoda. Let us explore. So there we have it, guys. We are at the top of the pagoda here at Kek Lok Si Temple. And this is the view of Georgetown, Penang. So the pagoda that I'm standing on, the Kek Lok Si Pagoda, is interesting because of how it was built. The base of the pagoda was built in a Chinese style. The center is Thai and the top is Burmese. So there are 3 sections of culture and history within this one pagoda. And you can easily see the difference both inside and from the outside structure. Now the pagoda has 7 levels and the climb to the top takes about 5 minutes. The stairs can be really narrow, so be careful if you do try and walk up this pagoda. But it is a beautiful view from this pagoda here. Goodbye pagoda. All right, check out these. They look like buds. Flower buds, not the other type of buds. Anyway, let's check out more of this temple area. You got all these cool souvenir shops dotted along the temple alleys. Not sure what these are. Look like some kind of plates or plaques. Candles. Ribbons. Wonder what you do with the ribbons. Maybe they mean something. Ah, they do. Coming and going safely. This one says, wishes come true. What's this white one say? Favorable results. Well, more souvenir shops for the touristy travelers. But first, we should go to the WC. All those little Buddhas in there. And there we have the main statue, Kuan Yin. Kuan Yin statue. She's quite huge, actually. I wonder if we can get up there. And apparently they're doing work over here. You can see all the scaffolding on the pillars. It's quite huge, actually, this whole structure. I think the most disappointing thing is that you've paid money to come up here on the lift and they haven't actually told you that you aren't allowed to come up into this area up here, which you should be allowed to, but unfortunately you can't. It's a little bit disappointing. They don't tell people before they get the lift tickets about that, but expect that. This is Southeast Asia. This is the view from the statue. So the pagoda's over there, just hidden behind the trees. And that's some more view of Penang. Looks like they're doing some work down there, extending the temple, I guess.